Wow, Big Blue lives. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Chris is awesome. Got it working.
There's
It.
a turn parameter of that's the manual for Mach 3. Like Big Blue.
Big Blue is the name.
So these are the parameters for Big Blue, I bet. Hopefully. Alright, it's happy there. Oh, it's probably on.
Yeah, that didn't update.
I want to see the M2 limit here. This one. But that matches this. I mean,
It works.
Something really strange about the axis of and then it attempted to home, but I don't know, like, Z. It doesn't want to do it individually, but it'll do a reset all. It does. I'm trying to home, but we gotta fix all the limits on it to make sure.
It doesn't keep going right off the edge.
Yeah.
Awesome.
We
Woohoo!
just gotta verify the X, Y, Z directions, the limits, and then we can home it, and then